Hi guys, today last time last time we opened a giant hand and then we got this toy, but now we're opening a dinosaur egg that I asked my dad to order. So let's see what's inside. Yeah. Let's open it. Let's do it, Selma. Like I did already. Oh, nice. I'm supposed to do it now, remember? Oh, that's so nice. Can you hear the ASMR? It doesn't have any instructions. That's how it looks like. It's your last time seeing this. Wait, before we open this, I saw something. Look, includes. Let's see. Let me read it. Dino egg. This is the dino egg we are holding right now. Glow in the dark 3D sticker. What's a 3D sticker? Glow in the dark slime. And then glow in the dark dino. Yeah. And instruction sheet. I'm so excited. Yeah. I didn't expect it to be like that. Okay, ready? Mommy, can you open this egg? Oh, you don't need to. Mama! Look! Mama, look at this.
What?
I can bend the sticker. That's 3D sticker.
Ooh, nice.
Bro, that's insane. It can bend. So I could just stick it on bendy things. Thank you. And I also have this bendy dinosaur sticker. I like them. There, most. We do have this thingy thing, but I feel like there's something inside this. You know? Let me go get a scissor real quick. This already is quicker than the dinosaur, than the shark I have. The shark one. I'm gonna test the glow in the dark slime. You'll see later. Oh my gosh. Let's pour it down. It goes. Oh my gosh. Mama! Oh my god, Mama! Mama, can I show you something? Fine. The dinosaur body parts come from the slime. Did you know that? Oh, it's not that sticky though, the slime. I'm not lying though. Oh my gosh, there's more slime in here. I wonder how these slimes are glow in the dark though. I never see them be glow in the dark before. Dino said, "Hey, get him out. You better now." How do I? Number 1. Can you unstick him? Yes, I got it. Okay, now let's got his belly part. Oh my gosh, this is not that sticky anyways. Look, it's not sticky. Look, close, it's not sticky. That's insane. Normally slime would do that. That's it, legs. I'm just trying to get every body part out first. We also got a tail. We also got, what's that? Arm, I think. I think that's the arm. Okay. We also need the mouth. That's definitely the arm. We have. There's still some slime I can tell from here. Yeah. The slime probably can vacuum it like this. But last but not least is the full-on body part. This is so sticky. This is not that sticky though. It said it's glow in the dark slime in the clues. Like we opened it so quick, man. That's insane. Dino slime. slime die whatever. It said my dinosaur boy is glow in the dark. Let me see if he is. What's that? Is that part of the mouth? Little chicken eggs. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Wibbly wobbly jubbly wobbly whoop. I'll show you the dinosaur later. Because that's going to be insane. It's almost 6 minutes and my total I can only film for 6 minutes long. So, but then I could connect the video. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Oops. This is the same slime as it. I wonder how it will go dark. Okay. Now, it's nearly 6 minutes, so guys, I'll pause the video and be right back. 'Cause I need to go pee.